Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
That this could be what you love. It took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe.
So hey babies, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 16. In this video we'll be making the famous TikTok s'mores dip. If you know, you know. Okay, we're gonna be making it because I've been wanting to make this for the last week and a half. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make it, and then yeah, that's gonna be today's video. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, if you're new here, definitely subscribe because this is the place to be. Make sure you guys are following me on all my socials, because you gotta find me, okay? And also I want to say, let's be realistic. I know I'm supposed to be posting every day because it's Vlogmas, but let's be real, we all don't just have something going on every single day, okay? We don't. So, but I have been being consistent, so I'm pretty sure y'all see the difference. For the ones who know. But anyway, I'm gonna make this too long and drawn out. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so starting off, I got these pans from Dollar Tree. You can get them anywhere, y'all, depending on how much you're making, depending on how many people is eating. Okay, I did end up using 1 bag of marshmallows, 1 of the chocolate, and 1 pack of graham crackers because it was just, you know, me and my kids. Okay, I did save the rest for another day for us to make more. They didn't have the Hershey chocolate candy bar, so I did get the chocolate chips. They were on sale because obviously this is popular now. Everybody keep using them. Okay, if you're on TikTok, you know, all right? But this is how it is looking, okay? I did put the rest of the stuff up once I got done. I put the chocolate in first. Yeah, y'all see that transition. And then I put the marshmallows in second, okay? Pow. Yeah, like that. Okay, now we're going to get ready to pop that bad baby into the oven. Let that chocolate melt, like that marshmallow melt, and let it get toasted on top. Okay, just to show y'all the graham crackers, I'm actually gonna use the regular one. I didn't get the Gomoya crackers that everybody been using. I decided to use regular graham crackers, so that's what we're gonna use. Okay, original. So now we're just waiting for them to come out the oven, waiting for the marshmallows to brown on top, let it melt a little bit, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when it's coming out.
That this could be what you love. It took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste,
So this is the finished product. This is what they look like coming out. Of course, if you want yours more browner on the top, you can leave them in a little bit longer. So taste test, okay? Make sure it wasn't too hot. Yeah, heaven on earth. Smack. Do you hear me? Smack, smack, smack. Yeah. So as you guys can see, the s'mores dip was amazing. Okay, it's really hitting. At first I thought, I'm like, these people exaggerate. They can't be that good. Like, come on. But honestly, y'all, it's smack. Okay, smack. So good. Highly recommend that you guys try it. Okay. And do what you want to do. A lot of people use the cookies and cream. Make it how you want to make it, okay? I just did it how I did it. You can do it how you want to do it. But I thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 17.
Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.